The Solix is a fully autonomous sprayer, and we work by solar panels. We have 4 solar panels on top of it and a battery. With that, we don't need to recharge the robot. Just the sunlight is able to recharge the robot. As we are running, we are recharging the robot and supplying the power that we need to run. This Solix has a 40-foot boom, and we have 8 cameras here. Each camera is able to control 3 different nozzles. We have independent nozzle control. With that in hands, we can do the target spray, and in average, we are reducing something around 80 and 90% of the herbicide in pulse, which is amazing. I'm not saying this amount just in a one pass. I'm saying this the full season long. It's impressive. We have 50 units, shy of 50 of those running. They run all the season long. Some of them are still running, just making the applications in some late stages and double crops. But most of them are done for the season, and we are just waiting for the coming season, the next season, to start the work again. They will be sitting in the field even for the winter. We don't need to park them in the shed. You just let them. Should live in the field all the winter long. We have a bunch of different feedbacks for them, most positive feedbacks for sure. They love the reduction on chemicals, but also some of them are seeing yield increases, which is great. We are just waiting for the harvest data to get those data and see how much more we are producing, as the plants don't need to metabolize the herbicides. And it's great to listen how their neighbors are seeing that, because some of them are saying, well, my neighbor is just calling me, asking about some lights flashing during the night, what is happening in my field. They just saw the robots running outside with nobody watching it. It's a very new concept, I would say. And it's really impressive to see the good feedback that we are getting from the farmers. Yeah, this is for everybody. We are making this affordable even for a small farmer. If you are a small farmer and say, well, this is not for me, this robot is very affordable. We are talking about 50 grand per each per unit, sorry. And this is something that you can just get the return of investment by the chemical that you are saving. And also, I'm not talking about the field, the labor, and also the yields that you can have just using an unit as this one.
Yeah, I see some of the numbers popping up behind you. 70% chemical reduction, non-GMO soybeans.
Yeah, we had a 2 case with a non-GMO, and it was really good because it's very hard to control, and especially this year in Indiana was really hard to control weeds, as we had some problems with the planting dates and also the residual application. Most of them didn't activate, and they have several problems with that. And in a non-GMO field, this is even harder. But it was really good to have the robot, because what is the concept here? We are going often in the field. We are making like 7 passes in the same field, just targeting the weeds as soon as they emerge. And with that in hands, we can reduce the chemical and also have a better control than a ground rig broadcasting. And this is the beauty. Just spraying as the weeds are, just spraying as they emerge, not just waiting to have like a taller water hemp. Those are very hard to kill. But as you just have a small weed, this is not a big deal. We are talking and work with most of the biggest retail in the region, but also you can have your own robot if you want to. It is just go to a dealer and look for that. You can go in our website to look for that as well. It's very affordable, like I said. It's not that hard to put to run. It is a very, very new way to work, and I hope we can see more and more of those in the field.